Now let's talk about sum of arithmetic progression, right? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on up to n terms. And I want to add all of this. This means I want to add all the terms of an arithmetic progression, correct? So what will be the value, correct? So see, because it is up to n terms, so a will be there for n times. So can I say it will be a plus a plus a plus a and so on up to n terms, okay? And d, 2d, 3d, so if I will be taking d common, it will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on. Now up to how many terms? See, d is not in the first term and I am taking up to n terms. This means from here the d is starting, so the number of terms here will be up to n minus 1 terms, correct? Okay, so you can take down like this. If a is added n times, so the value will be a into n, correct? And plus d into, you know the formula of this one. So generally 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so up to n, there is a formula n into n plus 1 by 2, correct? Okay. Now, because this is not up to n term, it is up to n minus 1 term. So in place of n, I'll be putting down n minus 1. So what will be the new formula? It will be n minus 1, because in place of n, I'll be putting n minus 1, and then it is n minus 1 plus 1 whole divided by 2. Okay. So what is the final result? A into n plus d into n minus 1 and 1 will cancel into n by 2. You can take down 2 as LCM. So it will be 2an plus n into n minus 1 into d, n into n minus 1 into d. Now here also n, and by 2 it was already there. So n can be taken common. Then I am getting a formula 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So this is the formula of sum of n terms, so which is also known as Sn, correct? So this is the formula for sum of n terms in AP. We can change this formula in a different way like this: n by 2, 2a can be written as a plus a and plus n minus 1 into d. Have a look. This one is giving you the formula of an. So can I say it is as a plus an by n by 2 into a plus an, correct? Okay, and this can be taken as the formula of Sn. In some book, it might be written as n by 2 into a plus l, where l stands for last term, which is actually the an, correct? So we need to put this one in your mind, okay, and this one should be there in your mind. So these two formulas are going to help you in the questions related to sum of AP. Okay. There is a trick to solve some of the questions like this. Like suppose it is asking you 3 terms of AP. So instead of taking A plus D and A plus 2D, better you take A minus D, A and A plus D, and don't take this one, correct? Okay. By this what will happen? The question will become easier. If you will be not taking this one, so what will happen? The question will become easier. Why? Because if you will be adding these 3, this D and D will cancel and you will be getting A plus A plus A, it is 3A, which will be easier to solve. Number 2, if you'll be multiplying these 3 terms, then you'll be getting a formula a plus b into a minus b, which will make the question easy. So whenever we have 3 terms of AP, you can apply this. Whenever we have 5 terms of AP, like suppose in the question it is saying 5 terms of AP, so it will be easier if we'll be taking the same thing, a plus d this side, a minus d this side, and then you increase one this side, one this side. So it will be a plus 2d here, and here it will be a minus 2d. This will make the question easy again, right? But suppose it is asking you 4 terms. Now 4 terms is little bit different. It will be a minus d, a plus d, then a plus 3d, then here a minus 3d. This is the 4 term, correct? Okay, but what is the difference between these two? Here the common difference is d, but here the common difference is 2d. This you need to take care, right? And this is the way you can make some of the question easy, okay, in your book.